Hello guys, back with a new unboxing. Today we have the Umidigi A1 Pro. This is a relatively new smartphone from Umidigi. It's been out for about a week and I only now got my hands on it. So what's special about this phone is that it has the latest MediaTek chip and it's having a running Android 8.1 right out of the box. But other than that, we have 3 gigs of RAM, 6 gigs of onboard storage, but you can expand it with a micro SD card. So those are the key features. Also, this has an all-metal glass design. People have been saying the back is made out of plastic, but Umidigi claims that it's out of glass. But today we're gonna find out. And oh wow, so that's the phone. So we're gonna put the accessories aside because we don't have anything interesting, except for the link to the world. So this phone has a pretty nice feel to it. Oh, we have the case right now, and I got the black version because I like black phones. So let's take the case off for now. And alright, this does feel a bit like plastic, and I see where people have been saying that from, but other than that, the phone looks great. It looks really premium and really looks nice. Now before we're going to turn this on, I actually have a knife, so if it scratches, it's plastic. If it doesn't, it's glass. Alright, I'm going to try my best. Oh, it's crashed. Alright, alright, as you can see, we have a minor scratch from the knife. So this is plastic. Or maybe they're using a mixture of plastic and glass, or maybe this part is more glass than, I don't know, but I'm not going to question it. I won't scratch any more parts because I really don't want this phone to be full of scratches, especially since I'm going to sell them in the future. So now I'm a bit sad that I have a scratch. But on the plus side, it did take a while before I could scratch it, so I'm going to power this on. And I'm going to set this phone up and I'll be back with you. Alright, so I've used this phone for a while. I've installed some apps. I haven't tested any games yet, but I have taken some pictures. Let's see how the fingerprint is. So tapping it once is enough to unlock the phone, but it doesn't unlock as fast. So I'm going to show that again. Wait. Hold on. Wait. So as you can see, the fingerprint isn't the fastest, but we do have a very, very good looking display. The viewing angles are great. The color doesn't seem to shift at all, which is good. So this is like a cute little phone we got here. So it responds pretty well. I don't have any complaints. This was already in the background, but so let's try playing some Knife Hit. As you can see, for some reason it won't fill the screen here but it does up here, so that is weird. Huh. Okay, it is lagging a bit, which is weird. Alright, let's try that again. Maybe let's give it a fair chance. Alright, so the phone was lagging at first, but then as soon as I continued, like maybe it was warming up, like it wasn't lagging. So we're gonna try simple rockets next. And the reason I'm testing more games is because this is a new chip and I want to see how it performs. Oh yeah, I really gotta make a new chip right now. Let's do that real quick. The screen sensitivity, by the way, is pretty it's good. Like I'm touching no problem. Alright. Oh wow, look at that lag. That was okay. Alright, now it's okay. Alright, so when there's a lot of smoke, it lags, which is bad. It's a yeah. Look at that. Alright. Next up, PUBG. I'm gonna cut the video while this loads. Alright, as I was going through the menu, this is lagging. And you can't even see my character. You could, I mean, at least you could. All you could see was his hat. So now, we're going to try and move around. Like, I'm not gonna play a full game because that's gonna take too long. Okay, I am playing and I'm invisible. I wonder if everyone else is invisible. And okay, screen sensitivity just. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay, this is the lowest graphic settings and it's alright. It's lagging a lot. I'm gonna close this. Alright, this phone is not for gaming, as I've demonstrated. Even light games, it's going to suffer frame rate issues here and there. Alright, we're gonna test the camera now. And oh, I haven't tested Face ID. Like I haven't showed you guys yet. So Face ID, Face Unlock is pretty good. Like even you don't have to look directly at the phone for it to unlock, and I'm gonna demonstrate that now. Wait, I think it touched the fingerprint sensor. Okay, now I won't. Try it again. No face detected. Alright, this is it works great, but I can't really show you properly because the camera's in the way. Now we're gonna test some YouTube. So this is where we test the speaker of the phone. China Serpent Zap. He's a good YouTuber, check him out. So loading times, like typing, it's pretty good.
Listen carefully.
Now let's do something else. What about this? Alright, this will do, I guess. Alright, I would say the speaker is pretty good. I mean, for the price, it's good. Like, I've heard more expensive phones where the speakers are tinny and not very loud, but this is pretty average. Now I'm gonna test out the camera. Alright. Take a quick selfie where I don't look too fat. And that's how that looks. Now we're gonna take some pictures outside. Alright, taking a video on the Umidigi A1 Pro. Very sunny day. See out of focus. Alright, this is the front-facing camera. So if you were to vlog on this phone, this is how it would look like. So overall, battery life, I can't really tell you how it is because I unboxed the phone just now, but judging by the amount of percentage it's lost since I've done the review, I would say it's average, nothing more than that. We do have a 3150 milliamp hour battery after all, so it's just average, nothing special. It's not gonna win any awards. And other than that, I mean, my final thoughts on this phone were, I mean, it's good. It's a good budget phone, I would say. Decent camera specs, Android 8.1, which we haven't seen, but the new MediaTek chip is not good for gaming. I've used older MediaTek chips and they work better. I don't know why this is worse. Should you get this phone? If you want a cheap phone that for basic tasks that looks gorgeous and you don't need more than decent battery life, then I would say this is a solid choice. But if you're a heavy user who games and all that kind of stuff, then no, this is not the phone for you. But for people who just want a phone at work, a smartphone, this is definitely a good choice, considering it's $100, and for that price, I mean, who can complain? For $107, you're basically getting Android 8.1, 3 gigs of RAM, the newest MediaTek chip, decent working phone, face unlock, fingerprint sensor, dual cameras that don't work, they're just fake, but they're there for the looks. I would say this is a pretty good phone for all those features. So I'll see you guys in the next review. See you later.